good afternoon, students. Once again, very welcome to all of you. And last video we have seen a problem on matrices. Now today we are going to deal with very interesting topic, that is integration. So this problem is given to us and we have to find out value of this integral. As we know that these limits are given. This is lower limit, this is upper limit, and this is a definite integral. Now we will solve this problem. Now see, what is given to us is, so we have to first of all to label it. Let I is equal to given interval. Now as we know that whole power of this bracket has come, so we have to substitute that, put, or you may say substitute this bracket is equal to one dummy parameter, that is t. When t is equal to 1 minus x, what will be x? X will move to this side, 1 is there, and t will move to this side. So value of x will be 1 minus t. Now we will convert this entire problem in parameter t. Now differentiating above equation, this with respect to x. So derivative of t with respect to x and derivative of right hand side. So this is a dt by dx, where derivative of 1 is 0 constant and x is 1, so ultimately it is minus 1. So dt is equal to this, dx will go to that side, minus dx, therefore dx will be minus dt. This need to understand. Now what will happen of that limits? Now see, when x is equal to 0, lower limit, and when x is equal to 1, upper limit, what will be value of t? What is t? T is 1 minus x. What is x? X is 0. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So t is c. What is x? 0. 1 minus 0, 1. So t is 1. When x is 1, value of x is 1. What is value of t? 0. So now lower limit is x, so lower limit will be t, that is 1. Upper limit was 1, so now upper limit is this x. But what is x? X is nothing but 1 minus t. What is 1 minus x? 1 minus x is t to the power n. And dx, what is dx? Minus dt. See, you understood or not? So minus will come to this side, 1 0, okay, 1 minus t into t to the power n into dt. See, now see here. So 1 will multiply to this t raised to n. So this is a t raised to n minus t into t raised to n. Laws of indices, power of t is 1, 1 plus n, n plus 1. Okay. This is in this bracket, outside integration 1 to 0 and this minus. Okay. Now come to this side. Okay. Now first of all, integration, here will be the integration of, see, I, integration of t raised to n dt. Okay, it's minus 1 to 0. Now minus plus 1 to 0, t raised to n plus 1 into dt. Okay, now we know that integration of x raised to n. What is integration of x raised to n dx? X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. C is a integrating factor. Now what will happen of this t raised to n? T raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and lower limit is 1, upper limit is 0. Here also t raised to n plus 1 plus 1 n plus 2 upon n plus 2, 0 to 1. Sorry, 1 to 0. Now what we need to do? First of all, we have to put the upper limit and then we have to put the lower limit. This is the minus sign is here. Okay, so wherever there is t, put 0. 0 to anything is 0. Minus, wherever is t, put 1. 1 to the power n plus 1, that will be the 1 only. Upon this n plus 1 is there. Okay. Minus. Similarly, upper limit 0, everything will be 0. Wherever t there is put 1, 1, 2, and any power is 1 again, there is n plus 2. So solving this we will get minus 1. Okay. So it will minus plus n plus 1, and this plus minus 1 upon n plus 2. This will be the final value of the integration. You may do the cross multiplication and all that. This will go minus n plus 1 into n plus 2. So plus minus will get cancelled. So here will be 1 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2. This will be the value of I. So what was given? Integration was given. The problem of integration was given. So what we did? We substituted the bracket as a t because whole power of that was given n. So t was this. So x will become 1 minus t, and the lower limit, upper limit was given. The lower and upper limit will turn to 1 and 0 respectively. Dx will turn to minus dt. And this is the entire problem. That was simply there, the calculations. Okay. So I hope you understood this. Stay with me for more such problems. Thank you.